You won't believe how Money Momentum Bank has evolved in 2026. Most people assume traditional banks are slow and outdated, while digital-only platforms lack real support. Money Momentum bridges that gap, offering modern banking tools with reliable customer service. Checking and savings accounts are simple, yet effective. Savings accounts earn competitive interest, with higher rates automatically applied for larger balances, a tiered system designed to reward consistency. Most people underestimate how compounding interest can significantly grow even modest deposits over time. The mobile app is intuitive and packed with features. You can track spending, set budgets, and create multiple savings goals. Visual dashboards help you see exactly how close you are to reaching each goal, which surprisingly increases motivation and accountability. Money Momentum also offers predictive insights. The app analyzes spending habits and upcoming bills, then recommends adjustments to keep you on track. This proactive approach can prevent overdrafts or late fees, saving you money and stress. Security is robust with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring. Customer support is available digitally and over the phone, ensuring help is always accessible. The main limitation is limited investment options. If you want to grow wealth beyond basic savings, you'll need additional platforms. However, for everyday banking, goal-oriented savings, and modern digital tools, Money Momentum delivers. So, is Money Momentum Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone who wants secure, efficient banking that actively helps your money work harder. Subscribe for more honest reviews to keep your finances on track.